Ferguson family is devastated. They have lost a father and a husband.
A Limestone County widow is suing the Oak Grove power plant near Franklin, claiming safety failures led to her husband's death on the job. The lawsuit comes after OSHA cited the plant for serious safety violations. Now the family is seeking more than $1 million in damages. Donnie Tuggle spoke with the family's attorney.
Brandon Ferguson went to work that day expecting to come home to his wife and kids. Instead, his family says they're now fighting for justice. It's been almost 1 year since Brandon Ferguson lost his life after metal grates inside a bypass chute suddenly closed on him at the Oak Grove power plant last May.
At a bare minimum at this time, what we believe is that the most basic safety mechanisms and protocols that should have been in effect to protect people like Brandon were not in place.
Attorneys say basic safety protocols like OSHA-required lockout-tagout procedures were not in place to prevent this tragedy and others.
In the last few years, we have seen multiple fatalities and casualties coming out of this plant in particular, among others that are run by Luminant and Vistra, and we are here to hold them accountable for what's going on out there.
And this is not the first incident at the facility. In May 2023, a worker was killed in a boiler explosion. Just 8 days before Ferguson's death, a silo collapsed at the nearby Cosi coal mine, injured 5 workers. And in February 2023, multiple employees were hospitalized after a chemical exposure incident. OSHA cited the plant for serious and willful violations, fining them $186,000 for failure to warn workers of confined space hazards, lack of fall protection, and missing safety procedures.
Brandon Ferguson's death was entirely preventable, and we're here to seek justice for the Ferguson family on their behalf.
The lawsuit is pending in Dallas County because that is where the corporate offices for the company are located. KBTX reached out to the company several times for a comment on the violations, but did not hear back. In studio, Donnie Tuggle, News 3.
The future